So you've built an incredible AI agent in ElevenLabs. It sounds amazing and it has great personality, but right now it's stuck inside of your browser. So how do you get it out of the browser and onto a phone line so your customers can actually call it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your ElevenLabs agent to a live phone number using Twilio. By the end of this tutorial, we will be making a live call to our AI agent to track a missing order. And here is the best part. If you're new to Twilio, you don't even need to pull out your credit card to test this. When you sign up for a new account, Twilio gives you a generous amount of free trial credits, usually around $15, and that is more than enough to buy a phone number and make plenty of test calls while you're learning the ropes. Now, quick heads up. I am assuming you already have an AI agent created in ElevenLabs. If you haven't built one yet, pause this video and go build your agent and come right back. Today, we are taking that existing agent and giving it a voice on a telephone network. First, let's grab a number. So log into your Twilio console and go to phone numbers. And then the top right hand side, click buy a number. This is where most people get stuck. Don't just buy the first number you see. You need to make sure that the number has voice capabilities attached. Look for the little phone handset icon. If it only has the SMS icon, your agent won't be able to talk. So once you find a voice-enabled number, click on buy and use those free credits to buy it. Now copy and paste that number to your clipboard. Head back to ElevenLabs and look for the phone numbers tab. And then in the top right hand side, you'll see the import number button. Click it and then select from Twilio. Now give it a label. I'll just call mine customer support. And then paste the phone number that you copied from Twilio. Now head back over to Twilio and then click on the account dashboard. Scroll down until you see the account info section and copy the account SID and then paste the account SID. Now go back into Twilio and copy the auth token and paste the auth token there. Next, click on the import button. And now you'll notice that you have the phone number automatically loaded into your ElevenLabs account. In the background, ElevenLabs has just configured all the webhooks for you and there's no coding required from you. The next step though is we'll need to select our AI agent. So I'm going to go ahead and select Sarah and then wait until it says saved. Okay, so the moment of truth. I'm going to call the number now that we just bought.
Hi there. Thanks for contacting Elevenware. I'm Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm actually calling to check on the status of my order. It was supposed to arrive yesterday.
I can certainly help you with that. Could you please provide me with your order number?
Sure, it's 8842.
Thanks. One moment while I check that for you. I see your order. Number 8842 is out for delivery and should arrive by 5 p.m. today. There was a slight delay due to severe weather.
Awesome, that's great to hear.
I'm glad I could help. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help. Bye. And just like that, we handled a specific customer inquiry completely hands-free over a phone line. But if you're running a real business, you probably have some questions like, what happens if a customer calls outside of business hours? Or can this number send a text message? The answer is yes. Since we are using Twilio, we can use a tool called Twilio Studio to add logic before the call even reaches the AI. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. We will build a workflow that checks your business hours first. If you're closed, it rings the AI agent and takes a message before emailing it to you. I'm also going to show you how to make the agent automatically send an SMS recap to the customer immediately after the call. It's a game changer for customer experience, but it takes a little extra setup. So today we went from a silent dashboard to a fully functional phone line in under 10 minutes. That's a huge first step. Now I know you're writing system prompts to get the AI agents to behave exactly right, but this can be a little tricky. So if you want to steal the exact system prompt I used today, along with a library of other ready to use agent templates, I've put them all inside my automation vault. It is completely free to join. Just click on the link in the description below, and you can grab the code and copy paste it straight into your ElevenLabs account. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.